याद रखी है। देश में सुभाष गुप्ता जी was a distinguished industrialist, visionary, philanthropist, and a rebel figure in the field of social service and community leadership. He rose from a leader to working Sridhar Purnima, the joint team with the Sabha served as a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Council. They've been recognized in the category of livelihoods for their project, Integrated Community Development Project. The project in the 9 panchayats. The project aims to transform potential villages into water positive ecosystems, promote livestock as a reliable source of livelihood. The project aims to provide a platform for underprivileged and yet talented students of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh UTs by offering a 100% free residential coaching program. Nominal, accessible, curated, and we have to care. Or women recognized in the category of rural development and infrastructure. The project aims to empower populations, the farmers' youth, and make the holistic development of adolescent, broadened opportunities for children, youth, and women through community library and resource centers, and empower transgender individuals, pushing them into mainstream employment. The jury conferred the gold and also the commendation award to them for this project. District Madhya Pradesh and Chakan in Maharashtra, aiming to conserve the native species of butterflies and create an ecosystem for the different species like butterflies, birds, and insects, including the other regions of the country. The project aiming to create a pool of trained commercial vehicle drivers across India and promote road safety. And now in the arid regions of Maharashtra and Gujarat through check dams, reservoirs, lake and rooftop harvesting, enabling the farmers in the vicinity to grow multiple crops. इन्हें silver पुरस्कार से भी नवाजा जा रहा है in the category of Bottle for Change, working in the region of multiple cities and they work in pan-India. Aadhar Housing Finance Limited being recognized in the category of healthcare for the project AHFLP Board, Rajasthan. The project aims to strengthen the public, especially the women of the underserved population of India. Children from government schools across India. The eKids program nurtures interest in technology, encourages future careers in building. The project in Nagda, block of Khajro in Ujjain district, Madhya Pradesh. 350-degree project components including the category in which they are being recognized. The project aims to promote environmental stewardship, urban sustainability through the development and maintenance of eco-friendly public initiatives. The jury also considers the program promoting activity-based learning. Agri Foundation, the villages of Tirupati and Chittoor district. The project aims to enhance rural livelihoods through improved infrastructure and basic amenities in pan-India, multiple states. The project aims to extend immediate support and delivery of healthcare services to the society which are deprived of health. Manufacturing sector by creating a skilled workforce through gyms, ITI support, also internship programs. A recognition now to Aster पुरस्कार विजेताओं के लिए Aster DM Healthcare Limited हमारे साथ. Aster Volunteers Aid इनका project 19 countries they have been working globally, including 30 apprenticeship programs such as NATS and NAPS, contributing to these funds. Karanjan, Thapar and brothers who have previously dropped out of the formal education and enabling them to achieve basic literacy and complete their grade 10 and grade 12 through the NIOS and alongside meaningfully connecting their working, aiming to facilitate inclusive and sustainable growth in the rural areas by developing essential infrastructure under the Model Village Development Program. Recognition of sustainable livelihoods is empowering marginalized groups through skill development and social equity initiatives. Once again, the corporate foundations being working in the Nuh district of Haryana. यहाँ के 20 villages को ये cover कर रहे हैं, aiming to empower the rural communities to integrated development in health, education, infrastructure, environment. The CFTP is to bridge the learning gap and bring the children up to grade level learning with minimal disruption of the existing systems. Zinc usage, building capacity of caregivers and health workers, mobilizing communities and fostering multi-stakeholder and private sector engagement. And now recognition to deep develop platform generate a sense of unity within village women through SHG skill training and income generation. Akhil Bharat project aims to transform the target villages into thriving, self-sufficient communities where every individual has access to essential services and opportunities. Recognition now, 73 airports and 235 non-airport locations we are working. This is a project which is finding mental health initiative designed to strengthen the emotional and psychological resilience of India's frontline security force.
RP Survey 2025, in which schools will be recognized and awarded for their exceptional work at various stages, right from the pre-primary to the 12th class. So this is an important initiative which will help recognize the best schools and motivate the schools in performing their role better and bringing about a knowledge revolution in the country.